In front of me is OPPO A6x, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Display and Brightness right away. Now scroll a tiny bit to tap on Font. Pick one of those font styles by clicking on the best one for you, and when you're ready, hit Apply. As you can see, after a few seconds, style of my font has changed. If you want to try something more interesting, go back to Font section and select More. Now tap on Apply under any font style you want. And wait. So when I go back this time, as you can see, style of my font has changed again. To go back to your default one, you need to pick it here and tap on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!